Welcome to the Amtech FastTest Help video. In this video we'll look at entering test results on the test results page. To enter them for circuit details, select the cell that you want to start in and type in the value you want to see. You can then navigate to the next cell by selecting the Tab key or the up and down arrow keys, which will cycle across the cells as selected. Certain cells have pre-entered values. Here we see the installation resistance of 200 already entered for all of these circuits. This particular value is entered in the settings section, which we'll see in another help video. Other sections also allow the ability to flood fill using the function 5 key. In this instance, polarity, because it's a simple tick, allows the flood fill feature. By putting a tick in and selecting the F5 key at the top of the keyboard, all of the cells below are populated. Other cells that allow this are the RCD operating times at I delta N and RCD operating times at 5 I delta N. A useful feature of FastTest is the ability to warn you if you have an excessive earth loop impedance. My maximum ZS for this particular circuit is 1.44. If I put an excessive earth loop in and tab out, the warning Amtech data check warning appears. Excessive measured earth loop impedance entered. You can select OK on this and decide what to do about it later. Once all the test results have been entered, you'll need to populate the blank cells with NA. This can be done by either selecting the cell and typing in NA, or a shortcut is selecting the minus symbol. Once selected and you tab out of the cell, the software understands that that should be populated with NA. But by far the quickest way is to select Fill All Blanks at the top of the screen. On selection of this, you'll have a message telling you you're about to fill all of your blanks with NA. Select Yes, and then all of the cells that require it will be populated with NA. When selecting Engineer, if you've already associated their test equipment, on selection, the test equipment section should automatically populate. You can manually enter the ZS and IPF values, but if this is a sub-main, as is the case with train 1, returning to the board that feeds it, putting in the ZS value, and then returning to the board, should automatically populate the ZS value. You can then enter the IPF. And finally, tick confirmation of supply polarity. Thank you for watching.